buzzed off my motherfucking ass. Hit me up. I don't wanna smoke that grass, cause I know that I be fucked up to my dome. Damn, you go, these are motherfucking G's hitting up random bitches that you don't really know. In 2 weeks, she gave you dome. I know that for a motherfucking fact. I know, motherfucker, that you motherfucking cacked that one hoe that I saw at Frontier. I'm kicking and spitting the flow while I'm drinking this motherfucking beer. Damn, with my peers. And these are motherfucking cool. I'm about to smoke a grit. And while I get... No!
We get shotgun.
You fucking dick. Fine.
Hey, we'll be back right now.
Hey, this is fucking Grand Theft Auto series.
G-Go, I know that you got them hoes on G, and you and me know that I'm a G too. You motherfucking, I wanna take a poop real quick to my dick. I wanna jack off too, and I don't give a fuck 'cause Elliot's fucking, I don't know, he's got a phone to my dome. He's tryna spit, he's tryna record my spit flows. Fuck them, fucking motherfucking hoes.
Before you take a piss
and get real lit while I'm listening to a fucking Bob Marley. He's spitting to these motherfucking hoes. Revolution is what he said. I don't give a fucking grit. I'm about to drink this shit till I'm dead. Motherfucking hit me up, kicking with the motherfucking homie Jordy. He's a motherfucking shorty. Drinking a beer to his motherfucking donkeys, and he don't give a fuck because he's drinking that brewski. He's got a Buddha, he's got a motherfucking pipe, and I don't give a fuck. I hoe, I fuck a motherfucking dyke with this motherfucking Van Tap that he's rocking, and I don't give a fuck.